Cricut just made their big announcement of the Cricut Mug Press that allows you to make professional looking mugs that are dishwasher safe and won't fade no matter how many times you wash them. So if you go to Cricut.com, right at the top, it'll give you the information about the mug press. You can go through and you can learn more about it. But what I want to do is go into Design Space and show you how you will create your designs in the iPad. So let's hop over there now. When you first open Design Space, you're actually going to just see mugs to start with. You can scroll down and eventually you get to other projects, but you start with just mugs. So there are these pre-designed ones that you can just customize by changing out the name. But there are also ones where you can really just do whatever it is you would like to do. There is the ones using the transfer sheets, as well as the ones to use the pens and markers. For today's design, we're going to use the transfer sheet style. It's an easy one, nice and quick. You've got a variety of options here under finished size. So it will let you choose straight edges, ripped edges, scalloped edges, wavy edges, and zigzag edges. The mugs that Cricut will be offering are 12 ounce and 15 ounce, and you will choose your finished size based off of that so you get the correct size design. For today, I'm going to do the small wavy edge and click Customize. You'll notice when it pops up, it brings up the Layers panel, and it shows you that there's this red draw layer that says hide this layer before cutting. The purpose of this layer is to show you where on the cup the part of your design will be, so you've got an easier way to visualize that. You also have this kind of teal one that is where the design will be, and then this white one, which is a cut one to make sure it cuts the design so it fits on the mug properly. You don't have any extra that you need to be trimming by hand. It will cut it firmly enough that it'll go through the liner and it'll line up on your mug great. So for this, I'm going to hide my layers panel. I'm going to go into images and I'm going to search for this Celtic wolf that I know I like and this triple spiral design that I uploaded. There are some that are similar in Design Space, but they weren't quite what I wanted. So I'm going to resize these. You don't want to go too big because then it'll wrap far around your mug and you won't be able to get the whole design. So I'm going to make my wolf 2.75 and my triple spiral I'm going to make 3 inches. And I think I want my triple spiral on this side, my wolf on this side. Since I've got them lined up where I want, I'm going to go ahead and just delete that layer. I'm going to select all of them, and then here in the edit menu, I'm going to go to Align, and I'm going to click on Align Middle. So they're aligned. That will make sure that they're not kind of just off center. And then with them still both selected, I'm going to go into Actions and I'm going to click Attach. And that'll cut all of it out of the same design. This is available on all machines. So right now I've got the Cricut Joy selected and you would just do on mat. And that'll fit perfectly there. You can also do it on the Explore Air series and on the Cricut Maker. So let's real quick go and take a look at some of the other options that use the pens instead of the transfer sheets. So like this drawn beard mug, super easy. It tells you that it's the design for a 12-ounce mug. and that it uses the markers to make the design. So you'll need laser copy paper, your mat, your marker, your mug, butcher paper, heat resistant tape, a lint roller, and the mug press. So you can personalize it by inserting text, and like I'm just gonna put Santa. Oh, I don't need to click enter. There we go. And then I think I would probably rotate it this way. And then I would really want to change it to the writing font with the marker, since it's using the marker on the beard anyway. And then just get that lined up, and that one is ready to go. It's super fun. You would draw it with the markers on the copy paper and then go through and apply it to the mug using the mug press. Well, the mug press is not available for purchase until next Thursday on March 11th. You can go in right now on Cricut Design Space and start designing your mugs. So you can be ready to go with your designs and have the mugs out really quick. If you go in to purchase it on Cricut.com right now, it'll show it as out of stock because it is not available until next week. The suggested retail price is going to be $199.99. Cricut's also going to offer bundles and a variety of the transfer sheets as well as the mugs. So you can do single mugs, you can do 2 count, 6 count, and 36 count of either the 12 or the 15 ounce. If you already have the Infusible Ink Markers or transfer sheets, the heat resistant tape, you probably don't need the bundle unless you're interested in it. This will make great gifts. There's a ton of cute designs already in Design Space, including these 2 that I found so far that are boxes designed to go with the mugs. So if you open this one up, for example, it tells you about how to use craft board and iron-on to create the box, and then also has the mug design, but you don't have to pair them. You could do the box without the heat transfer vinyl. You could do a completely different design on the mug, whatever works best for you. There's so many cute gift options available, including Mother's Day. Not so much the beard one. Your mom probably doesn't want that one. Father's Day, graduation, all of those are coming up faster than I care to think about. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in more videos about how to do these designs and the mug press, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and make sure you click subscribe and the bell icon so you are notified when I release my video each week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.